Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Hi. As many of you know, tonight is especially meaningful for me because I am being inducted into the Ladies for Rizal, New York. Let's give a round of applause to the elegant and beautiful Ladies for Rizal, New York. When Madam President Attorney Lily Cuevas told me about the induction, I asked in jest if it would involve jumping over the Hudson River while reciting Chapter 7 of El Filibusterismo. Thankfully, she assured me it would be much less dangerous than that. I was really aiming to be one of the Knights of Rizal, but unfortunately, I lacked the Adam's apple required for the job. Tonight also marks the birthday of Dr. Jose Rizal, one of the first global Filipinos, whose humanity cannot be confined to a single title. He dedicated his genius, intellect, and talent in service of our nation. His love for the Philippines was so profound that he ultimately gave his life for the freedoms we enjoy today. In honor of his legacy, I am privileged to perform a song thoughtfully selected by Knights of Rizal President Sir Ramesh Buzeta. And because I recently learned personally from our very cool, very rock and roll Conjen Senin Mangalile, unfortunately he's not here but he said to take a video of it, I prepared this special OPM arrangement tonight. So in unison, everybody, let's all say, Happy birthday, Dr. Jose Rizal. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Dr. Jose Rizal.
And thank you all for welcoming me into this wonderful organization. Music, Kuya Marvin. Nang isilang ka sa mundong ito, laking tuwa ng magulang mo, at ang kamay nila ang iyong ilan. At ang nanay at tatay mo, di malaman ng gagawin, minamasdan pati pagtulog mo. At sa gabi napupuyat ang iyong nanay sa pagtimpla ng gatas mo. At sa umaga na may kalong ka ng iyong amang tuwang-tuwa sa'yo. Ngayon ay malaki ka na at nais mong maging malaya, di man sila payag walang magagawa. Ikaw ay biglang nagbago, naging matigas ang iyong ulo, ang payo nila'y sinuway mo. At ang iyong mga matay biglang lumuha nang di mo napapansin. Sisisiyan sa isip mo, malaman mo ika'y nagkamali. Taas po natin ang ating mga kamay. Congratulations to all the inductees, Ladies for Rizal and Knights for Rizal. Amo si Paraluman, nung tayo ay bata pa, at ang galing-galing mong sumayaw, ang mabuti man o cha-cha, ngunit ang paborito ay pagsayaw mo ng ebing mo. Nakakainda, nakakaliw, nakakaliw. nakatindig Balahibo.
Galing sa eskwela ay diniretso na sa inyo.
Buong maghapon ay tinuturuan mo ako. Everybody say!
Magkahawak ang ating kamay at walang kamalay-malay. Natinuruan mo ang puso ko na umibig ng tunay.
Nanigas aking katapan. Ikot na ang plaka. Sabay sa kembot ng Umay ng iyong mga mata. Lumiliwanag ang buhay.
Habang tayo'y magkabahay
At dahan-dahan dumudulas
ang kamay
ko sa makinis mong braso.